Roddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama.
Because I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came... Girl.
Lie down. Lie down.
Whisper.
Does he want to get a bat?
You ain't gonna find shit in there. I'm broke because of you. Just kidding.
Lacey, can you give me paws? Oh, so pretty.
Who went in the dirt and rolled around? I thought so.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
You're adopted.